Hi,
Hello, welcome to my channel.
today we are making aloo dum. It's called Niramish aloo dum as we'll not be using onion or garlic, and it is also used during festivals for bhog. So let's get started. The ingredients required to make a good aloo dum are baby potatoes. So here we've taken 300 grams of baby potatoes that we are boiling with a lot of salt in it. We are peeling the baby potatoes while they are still hot, and we have also taken around 150 grams of green peas. The spices required for making aloo dum are 2 bay leaves, 2 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of jeera, whole cumin seeds, half teaspoon of saunf or mori, fennel seeds, half teaspoon of hing, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon will be your rock salt or kala namak or beet noon, few pods of cardamom, I've taken 3 to 4, and few cloves. The other masalas that we will be using today are Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, Bengali garam masala half teaspoon, and kasuri methi half teaspoon. We would also need 2 tablespoons of crushed kaju. We would also need half tablespoon of green chili paste, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste, and around half teaspoon of sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, tomato ketchup. I've also taken 2 tablespoon of curd that I have beaten well. So we are piercing the potatoes, the boiled potatoes, with a fork so that the masalas can go in when we cook them. We've taken warm water here, and to this we are going to add the cumin powder, amchur powder, little bit of beet noon. This we are adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. We'll mix it well. To start the process of cooking, we have taken 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Once the oil is hot, we've added 2 bay leaves and 2 dried red chilies. After this, we'll add the whole spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Adding cumin seeds, adding saunf or fennel seeds, adding a pinch of hing. Cook for another 5 minutes. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder, we'll cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Green chili paste to this. Stir it well. Look at the beautiful color. This is because of the Kashmiri red chili powder, which is not very spicy, but it adds a beautiful color to the dish. Now we will be adding the beaten curd. And stir it vigorously the moment you add it. Stir it vigorously. Adding the tomato ketchup. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes after adding the ketchup. Adding the boiled potatoes now. I'm adding all the boiled potatoes to this and give it a nice mix. Since this is a Niramish aloo dum, we are not using onion or garlic in this. I'm adding salt now. Adding sugar. Now I'll mix it well. And then I'll pour water, hot water. Adding hot water. And to this we will add kasuri methi. Just crush the kasuri methi before you put it in. Now you can put the flame on high and cook it. We'll cover it for another 2-3 minutes and let it cook. Put the flame on medium to low. I'm opening the cover now and I'll be adding the ground cashew. So I've added the ground cashew to this. Mix it well. I'm also adding the peas now. Which I had already prepared and kept. Now mixing it well. It's almost done now. I'm adding garam masala to this. This is the Bengali garam masala. And then I'm going to add ghee. Around 1 tablespoon. Now after I've added ghee, I will cover it and I will keep it for some time. Cover it. It's almost cooked. We'll cover it in low flame for another 1 or 2 minutes and we are ready. Our aloo dum is ready to be served. You can enjoy this dish with khichuri, luchi, rice, fried rice, anything. It just goes so well with all of these. Our dinner is served. Bon appetit!